Hi folks, my name is Vincent Mayers. I'm a senior community manager with Neo4j. Welcome to Fika AI. Let me introduce you to
Lutske De Leeuw, hello. I'm a software engineer at Craftsmen. I'm from the Netherlands and I love to talk about Java, AI and everything around it.
Very cool, very cool.
Yeah.
So you had a talk, was it today or yesterday?
Yesterday at 1 o'clock.
Why don't you give us a brief synopsis of that?
Sorry, I didn't.
Oh, a brief, a brief rundown of your talk.
Yeah, a brief rundown. So my talk is called Tame Your Llama, Run AI in Java. And there I show how easy it is to get AI integrated in your existing Java projects. Because most of the people think, yeah, I need Python to do something with AI, but we're Java developers. So we love Java. We want to integrate those two together. So I have two examples, one with Llama for J. That's a library you can import by Maven. Or LangChain for J. Maybe you heard of it, maybe you don't. And then I show you how easy it is and the difference between those two and what cool things you can do with it. And a little bit under the hood how it's working, all integrated with some Llama jokes and Llama quizzes.
Very cool.
Yeah.
It seems like, for Java developers, that's a great way to leverage or to start working with AI instead of Python.
Yeah, it is.
We're seeing more of this. Rod Johnson, Spring Framework creator, has a new framework called Embable, which is also designed specifically for Java developers to work with AI. And, we're all AI. I've got to tell you a story. So yesterday, we didn't have an SD card for the camera for these podcasts. So I went to the local camera store and I was like, okay, well, I just need an 8K terabyte or half terabyte SD card, 90 hertz. So they had one, I bought it, didn't think much of it, came back here, looked at the invoice or the bill. It was like, what was it? $1,000.
No.
I was like, wait a minute, this is a mistake.
And it's not because of the Swedish currency.
No. No, so I went back to the store and I said, excuse me, this was like $1,000. I mean, I didn't pay attention when I was buying, so I thought it was going to be like $100, right? He says, no, what's happened is all these SD cards are being used in AI data centers now. So there's a shortage of especially the 8K cards, the high frequency cards. And they're impossible to get. These AI data centers are buying them up, so there's limited supply. And that's why they're so expensive. So of course I got a refund.
Yeah.
And we bought a slower one, still good for our use. But yeah, it seems like it's not just the NVIDIA chips that are being bought up by these data centers. It's the SD cards for your cameras. Where does it end?
I don't think it ends very soon because they need more and more and more space. If you want to build your own game computer, you're too late. Unless you have unlimited money or are a billionaire, then you can build a really strong one. But currently, they're just buying everything up until we're at the space that we can size it down and we don't need that much again. But if you see in a history, then you have like this massive data centers and massive computers. And once in a while, when it gets farther into the future, you have to get less and less because they optimize it. But I don't think it's in the near future solved.
But even so, even if the usage is optimized by making more efficient workflows, what have you, or more efficient cooling systems for these things, the shelf life is only like 1 or 2 years.
Yeah,
right?
that's true.
After 1 or 2 years, you're throwing away these SD cards, these NVIDIA chips, whatever chip you're using. NVIDIA's not the only one, clearly. But you're throwing it away and you're starting over.
Yeah, it's not very good for the environment. It's horrible because, yeah, just like you said, in 2 years it's already thrown away and gone away. So that's, yeah,
it's crazy because as a consumer, how it affects me as a consumer, not as a tech person, but my electricity bill is higher where I live in Georgia, in Atlanta, Georgia, because of the power needs of these data centers. The gaming laptop I wanted to buy for my boy is more expensive.
Yeah, it is.
The price of a lot of things for me as a consumer has gone up. because of the use
Of the
those
chip price.
of these
Yeah.
data centers and all the things that they consume to keep them running and powering. And again, I don't really know where it ends.
Yeah, it's really horrible. That's the
It's,
short story. But yeah, it's just so first they were like, oh, they're building more data centers. Like, yes, better electricity, better this, better that. But I also consume all those stuff. So, and it's not. Yeah, we want it because we want progression and to how do you say it, that you get more out of it. But still, I think it's very yeah, that's the skill is off. Like
yeah.
how much they consume and how much it brings. So yeah, it's
Well, all we can do is focus on making Java developers better prepared for this new AI age.
yes, yes, let's do that.
All right. Hey, thanks for coming on, and
No
let's.
problem.
I hope you enjoy the rest of JFocus.
I will. Thank you.